Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PKS Sports with Bongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. If you have already subscribed, cela ungisize ngento yodwa, leave a like on the video. It will make a huge difference and ngiyabonga kakhulu. Tanko. Can Kaizer Chiefs manage without a natural number 6? Because Ox is injured. Now we are trusting on George Matlow to be that number 6 because Ucele, I don't know what's happening with him. Uyabanda. Can Kaizer Chiefs manage? Because here we are talking about a DM position. We are crying with can Kaizer Chiefs sign a CDM because we see we don't have a replacement of Ox. What if Ox gets injured? Who's gonna replace him? Because we need a natural CDM. Even if it can be a ball-playing CDM, but he must be natural. The one that is going to have defensive instinct to sniff where danger will be. Because if we're gonna use Ucele at some point, ulahleka egamini ungamboni ukuthi uphi, but abe akhona. But we need someone good to that has that defensive mechanism. Good, okay, now kuzoba ne danger lapha. Let me go there. So since vele Ox are injured, and ngazathi izothatha isikhathi le injury because it is a knee injury. But the coaches decided, no, let's not panic. Let's not press the panic button yet. We do have players that can play there. That's what makes our coaches to like players that are utility players because they can be used in every position as long they are playing. They don't mind. We saw Matlow being used as a defensive midfielder. Him and Mabode are swapping and it seems like it is working. But one thing I think ukuthi izobabulala iwa. When we play, every time we play at a high speed, high tempo, it's difficult for one. That's why at some point you miss Ox because nanoma 10 it allows the game to cool off. But mabai tool upon we're always rushing and everything. When it becomes rushed, it's always we're gonna make mistakes or the decision, the final product will be bad. That's why we see with Masfiga Pambili, that's where we are not as efficient as possible because Yonkindo Siyenza's Chachil is even difficult for the forward player to do what? To pick the spot to become inside the box. So if it happens, George Matlow, the role that he has been given, because we know him as an attacking midfielder, but now he can play as an 8, as a DM. It depends on the complexion of the game. Because you see him interchanging positions with Umaboy, because Umaboy has that vast experience. You understand, okay, when it is this time, most teams they lapse concentration. That's where we can pounce. Kupu. But I enjoy watching Matlow as a CDM because of one, his height. His height is very instrumental for Kaizer Chiefs. Why am I saying that? We often use to lose our second balls and high balls that are being played. It becomes difficult for us to deal with them. That's why we lost that game against Isikhokhona United, which is our loss. That's our only loss esidlalile this season ku-Betway Premiership. But with Matlow, you know what you are covered. Kuma long balls, high balls is there to intercept. And it's very good when it comes to what? Progression football. Something Ox that lacks. But now I feel like it is too late for him to be given a contract extension. Given the fact that he was always injured and you cannot blame him. And now they see with okay, the more you get more injuries, the more it becomes difficult for you. If you get another injury, you recover quick because the body has its way of making things happen because you cannot be responsible for your healing time because it is the one that will determine that. So for Matlow, I think it's too late, even though for the second half of the season, he might play nice and good football that might even score him a contract extension. But I feel like it's too late because Maubega, the years that he has stayed a natural and babheka ama-contributions wakhe, they won't see the need to do what? To extend his contract, because he could have been offloaded last season, but because of his behavior and the positivity that he brings to the club, they decided, no, hayi bafu, qhubeka wena ube nathi. So I feel like with his role, it came in a way where it wasn't expected, but because he's a coachable player, he decided to, no, I will play this position. But Mautu Apega, if Kaizer Chiefs will make signings in June, simply means they're gonna find players that are going to play in those positions, that are going to play around that position of middle field as a whole. It's CTM and number 8 as an attacking midfield, because people are crying with bafuna attacking midfield, but bakhona boMatlo, bakhona aboShabalala, bakhona boChisleti, bakhona aboSireni. So you can see ukuthi manje confusion seyiqala iba kuphi. But I don't know what do you think about all of this, but I think ukuthi it was important ukuthi see highlight lento le. Do you feel like ukuthi if he can perform very well, bangamnika a contract extension uGeorge Matlo, especially playing as a central defensive midfield? Because we saw in those past 2 games, he was very exceptional to watch as a CTM. And one thing about him, on that game that we played against ETS Galaxy, the last game, he was playing as a deep lying playmaker. That's why he ended up giving that ball to Flavio Silva that was flagged as an offside, of which it wasn't. So those are the claims of what he can do if he takes the showboating aside. I feel like that's the side that we're longing to see from him. But it's up to you. How do you feel about that? Ox injured, surely. So qhubeka ngayo Maboyi and uGeorge Matlo. Nabo hopefully ukuthi they won't get injured. If so, we have to make sure ukuthi our last resort is uThabo Cele. Hopefully ukuthi naye uba on a good state of mind whereby which he's gonna be able to perform, because standard basis droppile. Abantu mabasho bathi the departure of Nazareth Nabi had an effect on him, so he's busy fighting hard ukuthi recover abuye ayibe ile nduna esiyaziyo. But I think ngishiye ngamazwi. See you on the next video. Equals Alphile Moy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Danko.